I think we need to get him back to the actual human size, and you'll find things will become different.
Absolutely. And you just mentioned about crossing over on the other side when you build a road. So
He must have the fear.
you have the fear. So here, may I take this opportunity to ask you a very sensitive question. We crossed over to Pakistan how many times?
I don't know. That's something which won't come out of my this thing.
Anyway, so we have hot terror launch pads in Pakistan, in Muzaffarabad, not in Muzaffarabad, just near the Neelam Valley.
Let me answer this question in a different manner. When you cross and the government says, do it, we can say we have crossed so many times. But when you do it on your own, we don't want to say we did it. We never went. Why that post got destroyed, we don't know. It must have been struck by a hurricane, or there must have been a blast there. We actually don't know. We don't say that we went out there because nobody gave orders for it.
Absolutely. But then China, Pakistan, twin, at this moment, if we go to war, and if you say we're not going to go to war, but then how is it going to affect the economy? You said any war affects the economy. If you can just elaborate a bit as to how a war affects an economy. That's what I want.
Let me say that if today there is a India-Pakistan conflict, China will make noises, supply arms, do various things. Maybe if it is adventurous enough, it might try and walk into some unoccupied area. May. But if it is a India-China conflict, rest assured Pakistan would certainly butt in. It would love to take advantage of that situation. So that is the equation in the three countries. And there is history which can give you examples of that. On the other hand, when you look at economy, I mean, economy is terribly impacted for a couple of reasons. One, war today and the weaponry today has got no bounds. Any city can be affected. That destruction itself is a major catastrophe where the economy is concerned. All your industrial bases become subject to whether it is subversion, whether it is external or internal. The war zone, like what happened in during Parakram time, the Lloyd's raises its premium on insurance. Who is going to come to India with that high premium? Today, in this globally linked economy, everything gets affected. Everything. I mean, even today, after COVID, the shipping companies have raised their prices. Now, if let's say there was a warlike condition and the insurance premium and other things go up, the cost of bringing in goods becomes too high. All that is a drain, right? And weapons and ammunition
Purchase.
cost money.
So a defense budget is,
Whether you produce or you buy, it costs money. Each missile has got the type of missiles that we use. Each one is costly. It is not so, it looks very good in photographs, but the cost is quite a lot. I mean, each BrahMos is almost the cost of a Tomahawk. It's costly. Each armor-piercing, discarding Sabo APDS anti-tank ammunition is costing something like $5,000. Now, when you're fighting, You are not counting as to how many rounds you have fired. Where does this money come from? So the economy is seriously impacted. And that's why I said, you go 10 to 15 years back.
সমস্ত খবরের তৎক্ষণাৎ আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব বাটনটি ক্লিক করে বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।
আরও খবরের আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটি আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করুন নোটিফিকেশনস পেতে।